Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today, guys, I have finally completed a project that I said that I was trying to complete for the longest time. After all the rain has gone and now we're down to like maybe the last couple of days of rain, I have finally installed my rain barrel. There we go. Fully installed with the stand and everything. So the reason it took a while for me to install this rain barrel was due to the fact that when I went looking for a stand for the rain barrel, they were really trying to sell these rain barrels stands for like $100 and something for the rain barrel stand. So I hopped on Amazon and I went searching and I finally found a stool that could hold up to 400 pounds, and I purchased that stool for about $29.99. The stool got here about a week or two ago, and now I'm finally able to get out here, cut the, whatever this thing is called, this drainage line, or I forgot the name of these things. But anyway, I got out here, finally cut it, storm drain or whatever it's called, I don't know. I finally got out here, was able to cut it, attach the hose, and get everything going. So, yeah, I guess when it comes to the gardening community, they think that they could just rob us blind. There are other ways to circumvent some of the things that they're trying to sell us. I bought this stool, like I said, for $29.99, and it holds up to like 400 pounds. It's a real sturdy thing. I'm not on any type of affiliates or anything like that, so I'm not trying to sell anything, but this is what I found and I really do like it. And because I spend a lot of time in my garden, I like the way I like for my garden to look a certain type of way. So I'm just not gonna stack up bricks or do all that. No, I don't. That's not how I get down inside my garden. So no jabs to those who want to stack up bricks and put their rain barrel on top of that. But let me show you what it looks like. It's a nice sturdy stand going up to the drainage. We have the net right here, and the water is going to pour in there. And this is the runoff, which actually, I like this runoff because it actually gets the water further away from the home. So that's what it looks like, guys. So in addition to that, I also harvested some lemons that I'm gonna try to ship out today before the storm hits. If not today, then definitely Monday, but they were picked today, and I'm gonna pack them up and box them up right now as we speak on this video. So anyway, guys, you know the motto on the page: each one teach one, juicing with Jay, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Let me know what you think about rain capture. And it's been so crazy because I've just recently learned that in certain states you cannot capture rainwater, which is, that sounds crazy to me. Let me know your thoughts, and let me know if you are one of those states that can't capture rainwater. I don't know what the reasoning behind that is, but you know the motto on the page: each one teach one, juicing with Jay, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.